What you want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, and you want to go here, click on this, then you're going to want to click on Add New here or here at the top. Once you do that, you're going to want to scroll through here and search for the plugin you're looking for. If you're not sure what plugins you're looking for, at the bottom they have a bunch of tags that will bring you to all the different kind of plugins that they have with different little tags like social, if you're looking for something social, SEO if you're looking for something for e-commerce, WooCommerce. Gotta watch out, WooCommerce, you gotta know how to configure some of these cache plugins. They sometimes can conflict, but this is a great plugin to use for e-commerce. Just got to figure out how to make it work with certain caches that you use. So you just have to troubleshoot that and play with that. Here's the other ones that'll give you many options for e-commerce, emails, a bunch of things, videos, you name it, photos. It's all there. You just look at them. Now you want to be careful. I'm going to give you a tip, okay? There's a lot of new plugins. You want to make sure you're using something that has a high number of active installs, and you don't want to use something that does not have a high active install number. And the reason why I say that is because people just throw out plugins just to throw them out there, and you don't want something with bad coding uploaded on your website theme that's going to conflict with your theme, conflict with WordPress database, or conflict with another plugin, and then cause you to have an error to where you can't either log into your website, and then you have to go into your web hosting dashboard underneath your file manager and then go into your actual file folder underneath public and HTML folders, or just find your web host, your WordPress name, and then click on that in your file manager, and then scroll down to your content, and then under that click your plugin, and then find the plugin that you uploaded, and then right click it and delete it in your file manager underneath your WordPress hosting. And then you'll be able to go back to WordPress, you'll be able to log in and not have that error anymore. So that's the only way you're going to get rid of a bad plugin. So that's the step you'll have to take, and I'm trying to save you from having to do that, okay? Especially if you're somebody who's new to this. So just be safe, stick with something that's got a large amount of active installs. And the reason why I say that is because if it's got active installs, it's gonna work more than likely with the latest WordPress update. You're not gonna have a conflict with that as well. So you just want something, because WordPress updates regularly, and themes update regularly, and your plugins update regularly, and you don't want there to be any conflict with an update. So that's my recommendation to you. Now, WordPress has made it real simple to install a plugin when you find it, okay? Let's say you need a cache plugin, okay? Or a cache plugin just minimizes different things on your site to be able to help your site to run faster, okay? So it's just a plugin that helps your website function quick. Ask a Met is something you could install for spam. It helps you to fight spam. Now this Jetpack WordPress.com plugin is a great plugin because it'll help you fight spam. Plus you can automate your social media with this. You can get stats for new posts that you put out, new articles, and see how many looked at them and different things like that. You can upgrade and get some backups. I don't upgrade, I just use the regular ones, so it's up to you, whatever you want. But as you can see, I have that installed. I haven't actually activated that one yet because I was using something else to automate my actual social whenever it goes out. So what you want to do is you just want to, here's how you would do it. You would click install, and then once it's installed, it will prompt you to activate. Now back in the day, you would have to go back underneath here, activate it there, and then come back and then look for another plugin. These days you don't have to do that. You could just activate it right here, and it's turning to activate it. It's taking a while, and then it will allow you to stay here to where you don't have to waste time. You could just do another search, and then you can just go, and then it will allow you to go to something else and actually install something else. Like this is Yoast SEO plugin. That's something I use. So we're going to go into different tutorials on how to set all these different plugins up that I'm going to recommend that you use for your website. But that's how you install a plugin. Okay? So I want to invite you to come over to startupraw.com, and I want you to subscribe to the free updates. Subscribing to the free updates is going to get you the latest and the greatest of what we have coming out. Also, what I want you to do is I would like for you to like the video, comment on the video, or subscribe to the channel. Now, if you want to delete in closing an actual plugin, you would just deactivate this like I just did, and then just click delete, click this, and then it deletes it. Now, if you have a cache plugin,